Alright guys, it's been a long time, I know. But, welcome to Development Division. Alright, so yeah, I've been gone for like 3 months, but hopefully this is a good enough excuse for it. I got a garage, Mitsubishi Motorsports is finally a thing. And yeah, I just really needed a lot of more space because, quite honest, the front yard and the garage and not having a workbench and stuff kind of got to me a little bit. It kind of limited how much I could do. So this will be the home of the channel for now. We'll be doing Jeep stuff. Don't worry, there'll be Jeep stuff. There's Eclipse stuff. We're going to start a brand new series, actually starting today on this video about the 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse Tanya. But let's go ahead and take you around a little bit. This is just more of Tanya's corner of stuff. You have our bathroom here. I plan to do a remodeling on this thing. That'll be a separate episode. It's not very much, but you have a toilet, you have a sink, mirror, and that's really all you need. Also, we have an iron gym here when you want to get our fitness up. This is kind of one of our shelves. We're working on getting a lot of fixtures in here, but times are hard, money is tight, so we're gonna work it up just step by step. So this is kind of like the tool corner for now, and then this parts wall is just random parts. All this stuff is Jeep stuff. Either it needs to be on there or it's old stuff. That's this whole chunking section. We'll have to clear that up sometime soon. Over here, you just have kind of random stuff that I have. That's a 240 seat. I have a plan to do make it into like some kind of like chair so people can kind of lounge here. And then this is our kind of waste disposal area. It's not up to code at all, but trash cans are $50, so it's tough. You guys seen the BMX bike before. We kind of have our wash station. This will be the wash station in this corner. I haven't got the pressure washer yet, but inside we have kind of some of our cleaning supplies we use. Car wash, foam cannon, buffer, some buckets under there. We have some scrubber thingies. But I'll be over here. This is our grill. Donated to us, so we might be grilling sometime soon. Over here, this back wall, we have our engine stand, a broom, a pan. This is kind of like my random stuff. Kind of has my camping gear in here, some hoses. This is going to be where we keep our like electrical cords and stuff like that. We have our engine crane, our jack, our 2 jack stands. We need some more of those. Some tires for the Wrangler. Those are the stock tires. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Pretty much the space. It's not too big, but I think it's just the right size for us to kind of start a couple projects. So now we got that out of the way. Let's go ahead and jump into the 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse. We got this Eclipse in March, and it came with a whole lot of problems. First of all, it didn't even start. We had to push it up onto the trailer. One of the ignition wires way down in here got shredded by the belt, and I ended up fixing it. Car runs, still runs to this day. I did a couple things, couple quick fixes, and I pulled the engine out in a weekend and rebuilt it. The engine's all right, leaked coolant, so instant problem there. So we're going to take everything out. We're actually going to strip the whole body down, because as you can see, as you walk around, everything's quite cheeky. You know, the paint's messed up. There's a whole bunch of dents, dings everywhere. The windshield is its own issue. The tint's all messed up. You don't even have matching wheels. The body kit's pretty destroyed. and it has bad stickers everywhere. So yeah, I don't know if there's one good piece in the car actually, but if you look inside, it's a little crusty inside too. Gray interior for this one, but it is a 5-speed manual, which is pretty cool, and it comes with a sunroof. So we didn't do too much, but we're gonna kind of start all over on this thing because, quite frankly, it wasn't gonna be finished in proper time and it wasn't gonna be done right. And we just need to start doing stuff right around here. And then all this stuff right here is the parts we have, either stuff that's come off. In the last time I took everything off, or it came with the car, or I bought it. You have some eye-back springs. These are the rear set. The front set's already on. Gonna go over a couple things. We have a radio here. This is the radio we're gonna go with, Alpine. We have some brakes for the back. You have a bunch of interior parts here, vents, buttons, hood struts. We have the other wheel to match the rest of them. We're gonna have to get those powder coated. We have our interior, our gray interior. I plan on turning the interior straight to black. I don't really like the gray interior. We have our front bumper. This one's probably going to be replaced with another one. It's a side skirt that fell off when we were trying to put it on the trailer to get it to the garage. We have our carpet here. A couple suspension parts here and there. And then we have our Brom Racing harness bar. It's in there. It's still wrapped up. I haven't even opened it yet, really. But we'll have full harness and a harness bar in the back. And the vision for this thing is to kind of make it a little bit of an autocross street car. Something that you can daily, but you could also take it to the track and have some fun and rip it really hard. As far as engine internals, I plan on putting a turbo in it. Keep the 420A engine, put a turbo, and just see how it rides. We're just gonna keep making adjusting mods accordingly. So we're just trying to make a 420A Eclipse GS, front wheel drive. So this is the coolant we drained out of it.
My God.
I hope
Looks like mud.
I hope you guys can see the issue here. But anyways, we're gonna keep trucking forward. We gotta take off the axles on each side, disconnect the exhaust, take out the motor mounts, and then disconnect the rest of the electrical connectors, and then we should be ready to go. That tire and put it over here. And just start lowering it down. That's not good. It'll crack into place, I think. Okay. Let's try this slow. The little page right there. engine is out.
Oh my god. This is a nice looking little engine though.
Anyways, guys, we got the engine out. Mission complete. Now we are tasked with the large task of cleaning out the whole interior and engine bay because this thing's about to go to paint. So we're gonna end the episode with this, so you guys don't have to watch all that boring stuff. So subscribe to the channel, comment below, and like the video. And we'll see you later. Peace out.
Peace out.